Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Want to see something funny?
Well, I can't right now. I have to get over to the car wash. Oh, my.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Are you all right?
I'm doing fine. Please.
Nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take a good care of you, even though you're not a Ferrari. You buy.
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of...
of the Lower Belleville County Unified...
Long. Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jamming now, man!
Hey, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo.
But pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out.
You are a sight for sore headlights!
I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Queen and Sally, part beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down for the... I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh, man, the paint's still wet!
Lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I mean, except the Dinoco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used.
Correcto, hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
Past a storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
Fireboxes! Scruff's scared of being clean. I must puff after it.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Wait, Karabas. O zaman neden dinlemiyor ha?
Çünkü nelerin önemli olduğunu biliyor. Arada bir şöyle ağırdan alıp hayal...
Not a racer, just a trainer.
Go ahead and gun it.